my studio. Okay. As you can see, there's not much to the controller. All you got is trim. You get the high and low rate, and that's it. Not much to it. This is Syma F1 armor. I bought it mostly for the looks. It's awesome, cool looking. It has a balance charger, a balance lead you can charge it with, and I charged it with an E-flite on the power lead. It's got a shaft drive, tube drive, whatever they call that. It's pretty neat. Like I said, I bought the servo to make this a 4-channel helicopter. It's got an on-off switch down there at the bottom. It's the second time I flew it. I didn't video the first time I flew it, but I like it a lot. I like the looks of it. You know, I said it's no performer, I guess, but you know, I can't fly a helicopter to save my life, so as you can see, I hardly can fly a quadcopter, but I like it. In case you don't see the one piece again. Cool, cool, cool. Don't get carried away. I get carried away and wreck it. Cool. Almost had a collision with a bird. It's so cool looking in here. So nice not to have wind blowing everywhere. This is a 3-channel helicopter, so it can't drift sideways. But I bought the servo to make it a 4-channel, but I really don't see much use in it, really. It does pretty much anything I wanted to do outside. Sure couldn't handle any wind. There's something you can do to it to move a control arm to give it more forward bite. But like I said, without a wind, it's fine the way it is. Apparently there's some breeze up there, huh? It is cool. Got a lot of backward bite to it, that's for sure. See what I just bought the Helimax Blackhawk helicopter. It'd be a lot harder to fly than this is probably. Pretty neat. That's how they crash them on the movies. Spins a little slower that way. I think it's losing battery. Let's pull up right there. Well, make a pretty landing. Let's see if we can get it over here. Pretty neat.